My fellow Kenyan freelance writers, have you ever been in a situation where you have a tight deadline and then you just sat down to begin working or to continue and finish your article, and then suddenly the lights just go off and you're like, not again KPLC, and you're wondering, when will this end? KPLC, you're killing me. You're killing my income, like literally. So guys, if you're having a problem with KPLC blackouts, you had better watch this to the end, because I have a solution for you. And if you really are serious about, just getting a solution, then this is the video to watch. Hi guys, it's me Catherine. Welcome to my channel. This is where we talk about how to make money online. How to make a living online, and especially through freelance writing, affiliate marketing, and many other ways of making money online. So today I'm talking to you freelancers, my fellow Kenyan freelance writers. You know how it is when the powers just go off, electricity just goes off, you get a blackout, and you had a tight deadline. Maybe you'd even been postponing to do that work, and then when you finally have, like the psyche and the zeal to start writing, KPLC just does its thing. So if you've been looking for a solution, I have the solution for you. And you'll be pleasantly surprised, I guess, that this is not anything new, but you just have to take it seriously and do it in order to evade all these problems. So your answer is in solar panels. Yes, guys, solar electricity. Like, you just have to, decide and get a solar panel and a battery and all that stuff, and have electricity, be able to continue working even when elec has gone. This is what I did, because anyway, it's not interesting, because I remember one time I was in that situation. I went, and the problem was electricity had just gone off in our area. So I went to a friend's place. I think I ended up going to 3 places, and electricity was just, there was a blackout on all those places. So in the end, I was just stranded. I had to just tell the client, there's nothing I can do here. Like, you just have to extend my deadline, But you can't keep doing that to clients. And then some of us live in places, some of you right now, I thank God I'm not in a place where there's too much blackouts. But some of you live in places where, like, getting electricity blackouts is like the norm, Like, it's like you're almost sure elec will go. So you had better just get a solution. So guys, if you're making an income already online through freelance writing, then set aside some money and get yourself a solar system. It's not too much. Okay, it's too much is relative, but it's not too much money, because this is about your income. Like this, you depend on freelance writing for a living. If that is so, then you had better put everything in place such that you're sure electricity will not disorganize you. So the things that you need are solar panels for fasting, solar panels for sure. You need a battery, you need an inverter, you need a charge controller, you need, what else? What else do you need? You need a cable, to connect the solar panels and everything, but the electrician will tell you like how long the cable should be. Then you need an extension that you'll connect you connect now your laptop and everything. And you need, I think there were like around 6 things. But if you go to a solar shop, like a shop that sells all those stuff, they'll tell you what exactly you need. But maybe your question is, how much will it cost you? For me, when I got the whole system, I spent around, I think it was around 15,000 Kenya shillings to around 20,000 Kenya shillings. I forget the exact figures, but I believe it's not more than 20,000 Kenya shillings. So if you're serious about, not having problems with KPLC, just save up for it, or maybe you can actually get that amount at a go and just buy yourself a solar system. And then when electricity goes, at least you have a grace period of some time of being able to, to still work with your laptop and everything. And make sure you don't connect everything in the house, obviously. Like, just make it like specifically for your laptop and your phone, and that's it, and you're good to go. So I hope this was helpful. This was just something I thought, since I give you tips on freelance writing, hey, this is also a tip, you know, because I'm sure this is normally a huge problem. I've experienced it. I'm sure many of you have experienced it. So get yourself a solar system. This is just a real tip I'm giving you, like a hack I'm giving you. So go and buy yourself a solar system. Okay, see you on the next video where we'll talk more about freelance writing, affiliate marketing, or any other way of making money online. Bye guys. God bless you. Have a good day.